everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when our Google Chrome browser is not opening or it's not responding in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And for that, let us now begin. So the very first thing we need to do is to go to our task manager, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in our Windows icon, go to task manager options, or you can also press in your keyboard Control Shift Delete. And let me just expand this one. So if you see any application under apps or background processes that's in the name of Google Chrome, please just stop it or just make a right click on that and then click on End Task. And after doing that, try to open again your Google Chrome if it's already opening now. Okay, so let me just close this one. The next thing you need to do is to go to your Google Chrome browser in your desktop and then make a right click on it, and then you will see this window coming up. So please click on Open File Location. Once you do that, you will see the location of your Chrome, and I have here the Chrome highlighted. So please make a right click on it, click on the Rename button here, and you will be able to rename it. So please type there Chrome 1. Once done, click on Enter, and then once you do it, you will see this Chrome here being renamed. So once you open it, you will be opening Google Chrome, and then if it's still not working, then all you need to do is just close this one, or you can also make a right click on it and then click on Pin to Start, or you can also click on Show More Options and then make a shortcut. Let us look for the Create a Shortcut option, and then you will be able to put this application in the desktop. Okay, so let me just close this one. The next thing you need to do, if it's still not working, is to download again Google Chrome from any browser that you have. For example, you have their Microsoft Edge. So let me just open this. Let me just expand this one. So here in the URL section, you need to type Chrome download. This one, Chrome download. I'm sorry, it's Chrome download. Now once you click on that, you will be able to see the first search result, the fast and secure web browser. So please click on that, and then you will be able to see this download key or download button here. So just please click this download Chrome button, and then it will be downloaded in your device. So just please open the file location and install the browser. Okay, after doing that, you will be able now to open your Google Chrome browser in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you again in the next one. Bye bye.